Anushka, former best friend of Janki Patel, and former that's why because she now loves books much more than people. She's almost stopped socializing. So have I, but okay. So jumping onto what the title or what the basic plot of today's challenge is, that I'll be describing the book covers of few of her many books, 5 or 6. We haven't decided upon the number yet, but I'll be describing the book cover by the graphics of it. Later on, she'll guess what that is. Yeah, so that's about it. Let's dive right into it. And there's one thing that I need to be extra careful about. I should not read out the exact title of the book because that's pretty basic, but I'm also very smart. So I might just read out the title. तो ये हो सकता है, ये edit कर देना क्योंकि मैं एक बार read करूँगी.
क्या
Title.
क्यों?
स्वाइल करने के लिए चैलेंज.
नहीं ये परफेक्ट था, एकदम एकदम ऐसा ही चाहिए था मुझे, और
Dope
तुझसे यही
ass.
उम्मीद थी मुझे, इसलिए ओ आंटी. कितना सही ब्लूपर होता है जब फ्रेंड्स के साथ वीडियो लेते हैं, तो ऐसा लगा ना कि मतलब मैं अच्छी भी दिखूं थोड़ी, है ना.
ये हेयर बैंड तो बिल्कुल नहीं है.
एक ही बार गठान मारना प्लीज, है ना, भले जोर से. हाँ
देख कैसी लग रही बता. देखना.
जा
अच्छी लग रही है ना.
जा.
कूल. रुको ये रही.
मैं कान भी बंद कर लेती हूँ क्योंकि फिर मुझे सुनाई दे जाएगा.
बेवकूफ औरत.
अरे सुनाई दे जाएगा कि कहाँ से उठा रही, क्योंकि मुझे पता है यहाँ कौन सी वहां कौन सी है. ठीक है.
लेट मी पिक. चलो ठीक है, एक ही उठाते हैं अभी.
और अच्छा अपन भूल गए, अपन हिंदी में ऐसा जोर जोर से हिंदी में बात कर रहे हैं.
So the first book is this.
नहीं तो सारी बुक उठा ला पहले. ओ शिट, मेरे को इंग्लिश में बोलना था ना, सॉरी. हाँ इंग्लिश में बोलना है.
कान बंद कर लो दीदी. Three. कोई हॉट सी बुक नहीं जो मैं डिस्क्राइब करूं और तो ऐसी वो हो जाए कि
कान अच्छा और बंद करो.
I think I've taken 5. Let's see how that goes. इतनी अंधू.
इंग्लिश. अनुष्का इंग्लिश.
This much अंधू. Okay, so the first one is this.
ओके.
See? This is the book.
ओके.
It looks like this.
ओके. अच्छा
Okay.
अच्छा. What's in the background? The color.
The color. Okay, so the background is white and it's all text. So the actual graphic is in the text of it.
अच्छा. ओके.
And to be very precise of what's drawn here is, have you seen Friends episode wherein no one could sleep up till late, and
Remind me some of the scenes.
they lock themselves in the on the
हाँ,
tower
हाँ,
and
right,
then
right,
they have
yes.
to
Yes,
drive
yes.
down the fire escape
Yes.
or something like that.
Is it a little life?
Yeah, it's a little life. But I was good at it, right?
Right.
I immediately.
You were just obsessed with that book because you just heard about that book.
Yeah, Anmol told me about it.
Yes. Okay, pick something difficult. So okay, I forgot to tell you about this, but I look so stupid blindfolded and telling you the instructions. So I get 5 points for for every correct answer, and one additional point if I also guess the author's name. So in this round I got 6 points. So the calculation will be done by Anushka because she is a commerce student. Okay, so yeah, carry on.
Plus maths. Okay, so the next.
Show them the book
Yeah.
first.
That's the book, that's the graphic, looks pretty dope.
आराम से.
It's a
Color. The base color, background color.
So it's all like a poster book wherein the entire book and the entire hardcover of it is covered with sort of scenery and graphics. It's a scenery to begin with. There are grass, there are meadows, there is like a fence, and like at a farther and further stage there are mountains. That's what they look like.
What's the color? What's the color?
The sky is blue, so there are clouds on top of it, and then there are like light blue area and the horizon kind of thing.
Is there any lady?
Yeah, there is a lady on the horse right in the middle of the book.
Huh?
Yeah, there's this lady on a horse. I'm pretty sure it's a lady because I can see like her. You can't put this in the video, right?
Yeah. Lady.
There's this lady. She's riding a horse, and it's like a deserted grass thing. So the grass has gone yellow because of the sun.
Okay. Wait. Is it True Colors by Kristen Hanna?
Yeah.
6 plus 6, 12.
13.
12.
Okay, so the next one might be a little difficult because since I'm too good at explaining.
Oh.
The background is sort of... Yeah, actually there's the slightest possibility that you might guess it in the first go because...
So pick something difficult, no? Sorry. Go on.
Okay, so the background is black, pitch black. And there are this golden things, flowery things, golden flowery things. And there's this big clock with Roman numerals, just like your normal
The
clock.
Betrayals by Bridget Collins.
Yeah, because you were reading it right now, so that's what I said. If you want.
She's just picking up easy books so that she can
So that I don't have to make an extra effort to explain you the...
You'll take all the credit that since you're explaining it so nicely and I'm able to guess that.
Well, for my
So-
best friend, I see.
18 points.
So I'm gonna...
This is going so easy.
I'm gonna just bring better books because my inventory is almost over. Oh... Yeah, why have you read all of these books? Literally?
I haven't read all of the books. There are some books that I haven't read. If you have seen my videos, you must have known it.
I don't see your videos.
Jealous. She's the former best friend, you know.
Because all you talk about books, like, dude, what are you, like a
I know.
booktuber or what?
Yes.
Let me see if I... Here you'll guess it. I know you'll guess it because you've
No,
obviously
pick
read
something.
books.
Maybe pick something that you know for sure that I haven't read. But since I'm giving you this advice, I can recall all the books that I haven't read. So just pick something. Why am I giving you this suggestion?
Do you want me to lose? This is how you should play. Yeah, I'm not sure if you have read it, but this looks... If you have... Even if you haven't, this is such a prominent book cover that you'll guess the book.
Vapas. Okay.
I'll literally say the first name and I think you'll be able to guess it. So,
First name, you
yeah,
don't
so
have
there's
to...
this... the background of the book is completely pitch black. There's this throne right in the middle of the book and it's on fire and there's a snake sitting on it with rose petals.
Now I know which series this book belongs to, but which out of the 4 is this one? Wait, what's on the cover?
So the background is black. There's a black throne which is on fire,
Throne
and
on fire.
a snake is sitting. A green-colored snake is sitting on the throne with a couple of rose petals.
I get it. I know which series this book belongs to, but it's surely not Three Dark Crowns. It's not that. It's not even the second book. I guess it's either the third or fourth. And I'm forgetting the name. It's like 2 Dark Rains or 5 Dark Rains or what should I say? I should just guess, I think, because I think it's 2 Dark Rains by Kendall Blake.
Yeah.
I know I'm genius.
I have like 10 books down here and there's no one book that you haven't guessed as of yet.
I don't even have that much of a collection of physical books, so that's like relatively easy for me.
Have you seen her bookshelf?
No.
This women.
I have around like 60 books, and like I've read all of those, so I know their covers.
Show off.
Last book, right? नहीं हाँ okay, last book, because like सारे तो
You're
guess
doing
कर
pretty
लूँ मैं.
bad at it. I'm doing so good at it.
What's my
Obviously
score?
last-
What's my score?
Yeah, you can't
24.
tell that to people.
24. My score is 24 out of 30, and this is the last book.
So,
Are you in the frame?
yeah.
Okay.
नहीं बोल नहीं सकती हिंदी में 2 किलोमीटर दूर जाके सब्सक्राइब कर रहे हो. So about this book, it's a very weird cover.
Have you shown?
Yeah.
Weird cover. Okay.
Not
Processing.
weird, but I don't think so I can describe it. Like, two people are doing very weird shit. There's this naked guy with wings on the back of his neck who's whistling apparently. And he's whistling in front of a guy who's sitting.
There are two people in the cover.
There are two people on the cover.
Oh, okay.
There's this one guy who's whistling, and there are two whistles in. Not whistling. Did I say whistling? I'm like fluting, if that's a word.
Fluting?
Playing a flute.
Huh?
That makes sense.
Huh.
So there are two flutes that the other guy is playing, who is
Okay.
sitting against a tree, and he seems kind of devilish, given by the long elongated ears. And the other one is whistling while standing. He's naked for sure.
Why do I have a naked boy on the cover?
Like I don't think it's prominently naked. Otherwise, you would have obviously remembered the cover.
Acha, what's the background color?
It's like a very dirty grey blue. What's this color? Teal green. I've been very specific about the color now.
No, you have done a splendid job explaining the cover, but I'm not able to recall what book. Like 2%. Are those two male?
Yeah, like the guy is a guy. He's naked. I can tell.
Two people. Acha, can you describe the spine to me? The spine. Color of the spine.
Spine is this, right? This
This.
side corner. What's the
Did
spine?
that? Can you give me? No.
I'll give you another book. This is.
No.
fine.
I'll try to guess this one because I've been so well.
Okay,
You
so
guys.
I'll tell you a little bit about the theme. So the other guy looks like Cupid because he has wings on the back of his neck, and the other guy who's sitting against the tree has like elongated ears, and has frowning expressions, which sort of makes him the devil. So there's devil and there's fairy who looks like Cupid.
I damn sure know that this is a fantasy, but is it from the Shadowhunters world? Because wings, elongated ears means fairy. And
No, elongated ears does not mean fairy.
I thought this kind of elongated, like
yeah,
pointed.
this kind of elongated ears and also some sort of horns as well. So that makes him the devil.
Mm. Two
Okay,
people.
if at all it helps, the background is teal green as I said, and on top of it, all these these are graphics, caricatures
Okay.
in red color. Glossy.
Okay, so is this like House of Earth and Blood, Crescent City by Sarah J. Maas?
Nope. You have lost the point, I guess.
Yes. Well, what's the book?
As you like it. As you like it.
Oh
by
shit!
William
I
Shakespeare.
haven't read it. I haven't read it.
It's such a small book, and I'm like, this you must have read for sure.
No. This came in a book box, and I was like, okay, this is a freebie. It was a free book with it. And, take it.
Yeah, so she doesn't read free books, guys.
no, I do
That's
read.
the
Please send me free books. I'll be so honored. So okay, what's the point? 24 out of 30. I did pretty good. Should I take off this? Yes, I should. Oh. Okay.
You were damn very good. I'm so glad that at least you didn't get one last book, warna my morale would have been this damn book.
Oh yes, he is naked.
What do you think? I was making it up? Do I?
Yes. you do like dark things, no? Okay.
Yeah.
So
But nudity is not dark.
forgive me for the Atishokti.
Okay, I will. I'll try to.
So I scored 24 out of 30, which is pretty good. If I would have scored a little less, I would have given myself a punishment, which would be reading a book that I didn't
You
like.
give yourself a pun.
Why would I give myself a punishment if I
Because
scored 24 out of 30?
That's pretty bad to be
Oh.
honest. I can't calculate it.
4 out of 5 books.
90%. So, I think you should read it. You should redeem yourself by reading this.
Yes, I will read it.
And
It's a
you
pretty piddi book. Piddi means a very small
That's
book.
how
And
you
it's a
appreciate
play.
people who write play.
It's a I don't really
And who's
appreciate.
basing upon William Shakespeare, guys?
I am not
Sunita,
appreciating.
हमको बताएं. Hello, Rohit sir.
3 men in a boat पढ़ेंगे open कर. ठीक है तो yes that is all for this video. Thank you for watching, and if you don't understand any of the Hindi ramblings that we did, just ask in the comment section. So yes, thank you
Bold
for
of her
watching.
to assume that she has foreign viewers.
I have
चल एक होगा.
वो मुझे नहीं पता कितने होंगे, but I do have some foreign viewers. Yesterday I got a comment on my video saying love from Lahore.
You would understand Hindi, bro.
I know, but foreign तो हुआ
There
ना.
is a possibility that people who are from India might also not understand Hindi, given we have had friends who were pathetic at the language. But सुनने में तो समझ जाते होंगे यार.
So yes, thank you for watching. Please do consider subscribing to my channel if you like the videos I make, and bye.
Bye bye.